In this video, I will show you how to save a Word document as PDF. This can either be done to an existing document or a completely new document. So, if you want to learn how to save a Word document as PDF, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So to save your Word document as PDF, you need to make sure that the document is opened. And like I said in the introduction, you can either do this to an existing document or a completely new document. The most important thing is have your Word document opened. So let's assume we want to save an existing document as PDF. I have a document right here which I want to save as PDF. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Having opened the document, I go over to File. Then I click on Save As. So from here, you can choose the location you want to save your PDF document. I'll keep it in the same folder as my Word document. So I select it. Then from the Save As dialog box, I go over to File Name. I can give my document a new name if I want, but I'll leave it as it is. Under Save As type, I drop down the arrow, then I go ahead and choose PDF. After choosing PDF, next is Optimization Settings. You can choose from Standard or Minimum Size. Standard is for online publishing as well as printing, and minimum size is only for online publishing. I leave it as Standard. Under Options, you have the opportunity to open the file after publishing it. If you don't want to have the file open, you can go ahead and uncheck this. But I need my file to open after publishing, so I leave it checked. Then I go ahead and click on Save. And it will bring me to my Word document, and finally, it will open with PDF. Perfect. And this is how my document will look like in the PDF file. Awesome. I exit from here. Now if I go to the folder where I save my PDF file, you will see it right here. From here, you can use it for whatever reason you are saved as a PDF. So that's it on how to save a Word document as PDF. Now if you want to learn how to create this beautiful letterhead, I'll leave a link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how you can create this beautiful letterhead for your business. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I will see you in the next one.